I am today going to go over this THOR LED headlamp. I was gifted this and I'm really excited about this because lately we've been going on a lot of nature walks in my house, and these are just perfect for at night. And also if you have to do any kind of work outside at night around your house, this is my go-to. So the straps on it, nice and elastic, so it'll fit pretty much anybody, and they are adjustable. You can adjust this different. It's making the light open and shut. So you have a smaller beam or higher beam, wider beam. Have a 90-degree tilt on it. So for up and down, like if you're wearing it on your head, you don't want it, shining in whoever you're talking to's face, you can go ahead and put it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this sized out and then put it down. I also just want to point out that adjusting is very easy. There are adjustable brackets on each side to make this bigger or smaller. I know this works in my house because there's a couple of us that are going to be using it. So go ahead and put this on. Oh, it's comfortable. So here's this. Again, we got that tilt, so you can go up and down. I am also going to show you this at night and show you guys kind of the visibility, what it looks like. But it is really comfortable. Like, honestly, it's perfect. And then I'll go ahead and turn it on. Let's shine it away from the camera so that I'm not blinding anybody. And there's your different modes. And you do have a strobe. So again, very comfortable, very sturdy. Different levels, different beam approaches. Another really cool portion of this is that it does not take batteries. You have a charging right here. So it can be charged with USB-C, which is, I think, very cool because this rechargeable part of it was a very big win for me. This is overall, it's a great quality headlamp, honestly. I've gotten a couple of these, and I can say that this is beautifully made. The way that it sits is nice. The presentation is great, and I really like how comfortable the strap is. So, yeah.
So I figured it wouldn't be as fair if I didn't show you exactly what it was like out in the dark. So I'm going to go ahead and do all the different modes.